We talked about it in the last two sections. One is code supplement. The patch sticks directly. The second one is about the use of mushroom nails. Third, let's talk about the use of rubber strips. When the tire hits this position, mushroom nails can't solve it either. Patches don't work either because it involves a gas problem. Press the cold supplement. It is the method of cold compensation, the correct way to repair this hole. We're going to demonstrate it to you guys now. One is called self-fluidizing tape. The big factories all agree that they all say that rubber strips can't solve the problem. Say what the rubber strip can be called. Temporarily used, but what? The material of this rubber strip is exactly the same as the material of this mushroom nail in this patch. On both sides of the rubber is a layer of gray glue. Through the action of room temperature vulcanizing agent, it plays a fill the hole after you get back. That can also keep the tires completely flat and achieve lifelong quality assurance. Let's try it out now. Many people say that this glue cone will damage the tire holes. Let the hole expand, right? More than 2 millimeters. This is a screw gluer, less than 3 millimeters, to repair a hole in this pattern. It's very simple. Just get rid of it. Let's clean up the sediment wire inside the hole first. Some people say that this all has no teeth. It's okay without teeth. It all works just as well. Room temperature, vulcanizing agent. Make sure to hit the hole
inside.
It feels silky enough. Put the rubber strip in the room temperature vulcanizing agent. Aim at the wound position and stick it to the end. Pull it out slowly. We do the first stage, wilderness rescue. That's it. It won't break for life because of what? It has a cross, not in it. The holes are small for 6 millimeters. This silicone in this one, 3 millimeters, 4 6-millimeter ones in one hole. So it has enough expansion and adhesion. There's also a small pimple inside. You must be worried about one of its expansion forces. Let's take a look now. Say this. Did it say whether there will be strength? See if the tire can stand up after sticking. Later. Did you see that the rubber strip did not go away at all? It's on the outside. Break it apart. Okay? If this formula is normal, it will be over. What if? But we can do that in a tire shop. You just tie a rubber strip. It's hard to charge for tires that don't come off. So we're going to do a secondary repair in there to collect the fee. Clients can also feel more at ease. Okay, you can see it. We cut it off directly, use a cold replenishment method. Put on the rubber strip to finish this tire. Michelin, Tesla, this gas problem can be solved directly. We pinch, select one of our regular patches, 1 in 5 patches. Choose a low-speed machine with a tungsten steel wheel. After polishing, we must have an action of clearing off. 2. Suck up the dust. Apply the room temperature vulcanizing agent evenly. Similarly, the room temperature vulcanizing agent should be 8 minutes dry. Go and paste the patch. And it feels sticky to the touch, but don't touch your hands. The tires are back to normal. Our isolation paper. Do not touch the silicone layer with your hands. Then apply the patch to the wound position. The same compacts the wheels. Press from the middle to both sides. Isolation paper, tear off. The isolation paper is torn, or a word from Brother Dong. Tear from the middle to the sides. Prevent peeling of gray glue layer. Keep fighting. Go ahead and put on our useless sealant. Sealant plays a role in charging. It can't solve the problem of gas.